repair anything made of aluminum, hot metal, or galvanized steel using something as simple as your own propane torch, no flux. We are proud to present Alumaloy. With Alumaloy, you can repair aluminum boats, props, storm doors, ladders, gutters, carburetors, radiators, refrigeration, engine blocks, motorcycle cases, oil pans, bell housing, transmission cases, anything using your own propane torch, no flux. Simply clean, heat, and repair their way into hundreds of dollars of savings. Forget about expensive equipment, forget about expensive training, because now we have Alumaloy. With Alumaloy, you can make repairs on the lake, at home, in the shop, anywhere your handy propane torch will travel. Alumaloy is $45 for 1 pound. Call now, and as a special TV promotion, we'll give you an additional half pound free. Call 1-800-917-WELD. Use your MasterCard, Visa, American Express, or Discover. Or send a check or money order for $45 plus $5 shipping and handling to Alumaloy, P.O. Box 137, Stevenson, Connecticut, 06491. Call now, order 1 pound of Alumaloy for $45. As a special TV promotion, we'll give you an additional half pound free. Call 1-800-917-WELD. Now we're going to show you how to fabricate. With Alumaloy, it's simple. This is going to be a regular lap joint. First, we clean the base metal. Next, you want to heat the base metal. And again, we're using regular propane. A nice controllable heat that won't distort or warp our base metal. Take the rod and just test it. See if the metal's up to temperature. Use your rod like a dipstick. And as soon as that reaches 128 degrees, you're going to know it. The rod will start to flow. Nice and smooth. That's the texture I want to achieve. And what we're going to do is tin this entire area with Alumaloy rod. And we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other piece. And then we let these two pieces cool. Now we're going to take both pieces and we're going to put tinned edges together. Alumaloy, Alumaloy. Put them both together, and then we're just going to clamp it so it doesn't move around. Because now what we're going to have to do is reapply the heat so both pieces will just set together. So we use our propane torch. I'm going to start to evenly distribute the heat back and forth. And you can see our two pieces are setting together right now. They've reached 700 degrees. We're going to take the Alumaloy rod and just lay a bead right down the edge. So we have a nice, clean, neat fabrication. And also it's incredibly strong. Now we go ahead and let it air cool. And remove that clamp. And you can see the fabrication, it looks great. Now we're going to show you a regular butt joint, another type of fabrication. We have two pieces of aluminum and we've beveled the edges to 45 degree angles. We begin to heat the base metal, not the rod. You then take the Alumaloy rod and you're going to test it. Scratch it to the base metal to see if the base metal has reached 700 degrees. If the rod doesn't flow, get it out of the flame. Now once you see the rod flow, we're just going to scratch it to the aluminum, getting good adhesion. And in this case, we're going to fill in the bead groove. And continue to lay our rod. And since we're using propane, we don't have to worry about warpage, distortion. It's very simple. And our fabrication is done. We then let it air cool. And you can see it looks great, and it's incredibly strong. Tensile strength, 39,000 pounds per square inch. How strong is Alumaloy? Well, we're going to show you. What we're going to do is lay a bead of Alumaloy on this piece of aluminum, and then we're going to try to chisel it off. We heat the aluminum. Remember, bring it up to 728 degrees. The rod will flow as soon as the base metal reaches temperature. And there we go. Now, we apply a little bit of pressure with the rod into the aluminum, making sure we get it in. Lay my bead right here. Back off the torch. And let it air cool. And now we're going to try to chisel that off. And as you can see, it won't budge. We even bend that aluminum metal trying to chisel that piece off. It's incredible. So strong, the physical properties prove it.